discuss about Java if statement in a detailed manner, where we will try to discuss syntax, use case, program, and then real world scenarios. So generally, what is a if statement? So in our day-to-day life, we used to use if statement regularly. In this scenario, the use case is if your age is above or equal to 18, which means if suppose if your age is above or equal to 18, then you are eligible to vote. If your age is below 18, then you are not eligible to vote. So here, if this condition is satisfied, then some other statements should be executed. So that's the real world scenario, the real world use case. So you would have a doubt, how would we execute this thing programmatically? So we will try to cover those things in this video. So here, if your age is above or equal to 18 means that's the condition. That condition should be satisfied. That condition should be, only if that condition is satisfied, then some statements should execute. So here that condition would be checked. If your age is above or equal to 18, which means this age should be above or equal to 18, then we will try to execute some code. So this is syntax. If open brace, close brace, inside if open brace and close brace, we should specify the condition. So the system checks whether condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then it will try to execute the statements which are present inside the open and close flower brackets. So this is the syntax. So this is the flow diagram. So here this is the condition. This diamond box is a condition checker. If the condition is true, then if code would be executed, which means the code to be executed would be executed. If the condition is false, the remaining code would be executed. So you might have some doubts regarding that. So I will try to clear those doubts using this program. So in this program, we are trying to get the input from user, which is age, and we are trying to store that age in the variable named age. If age greater than or equal to 18, this is the condition. What we try to do is we try to print a message stating that you are a major. And then what we are trying to do is we are trying to add another statement outside the flower brackets to signify that is the end of the program, which is by. So if you run this program, sorry, there's some syntax error. Yes, that's why. So if we run this program, so the system would ask the age. If we specify the age is 18 or above 18, the system would print the message called you are a major. So the reason behind that is the age is 18. 18 greater than or equal to 18, the condition is true. So if the condition is true, the statements which are present inside the flower brackets would be executed. So the statements which are present in the inside the flower brackets are system.out.println you are a major. So this would be executed, and then the remaining statements which are present outside the flower brackets, which is system.out.println by, that would be executed. If I am trying to give the input which is less than 18, which means the condition is false. For example, if I am specifying the age is 18, and if I try to execute this program, you could see the output as by. The reason behind that is 10 is not greater than or equal to 18, so the condition is failed. So if the condition is failed, then this statement won't be executed, and then this statement would be executed because these statements are present outside this flower bracket. So this by would be executed instead of printing you are a major. So this is a basic program to explain about if statement. So thanks for watching.